I want to tell you about my very favorite way of making money online. And why is it my favorite? It's actually very, very simple. It's because this is a way of selling once and making money over and over and over again. It's all coming up in my review of Membership Massacre. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Yeah, okay. You know what? I like the hat, so yes to the hat. Okay, definitely yes to the hat. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, you know what? You can keep your crap. These people don't like it. Most people don't like it. Okay, you're just weird. Okay, seriously, keep it crap. if you are doing the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip as a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I'm going to be back in New York next week. I'm currently in a small town in Pennsylvania, but I'm going to be back in New York next week. So for a brief time, Liz and I are going to be fellow New Yorkers again. And she is a sweetheart. I mean, who can get upset with her being so kind to me? If you want to, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the membership, at the sales page for Membership Massacre. This is from my friend Cam Fast. Now, Cam's been doing this thing for a long time, and you may not have heard of him because he's not one of these big high-profile people who puts out a launch every 2 weeks, and they're usually crap or some software that you don't really need. Basically, Cam is the real deal. He's somebody who's smart, knows what he's doing, and he's giving you his complete membership madness system. I'm going to show you in just a second the members area. But before we do, I want to tell you two things. First, I want to tell you about my custom bonus because I always have the best custom bonus. So first and foremost, I have my own course on building a membership site. I show you step by step. It's basically an over my shoulder video where I show you how to create a membership site using WordPress and completely for free. And it takes about an hour to do the whole thing start to finish. And then once you have it done, you sell it. And once you sell once, you keep making money over and over and over again. Now, I'm going to give you not just that course, I'm going to give you PLR to that course. That means you have the right to sell, give away, use as a bonus. Okay. Plus, I'm going to give you 30 additional courses that you can use to give away to use for your membership site, so that you actually get started with like 30 weeks worth of membership content. So you have like the first half a year that you can start making money immediately without having to spend anything in order to make this thing work. But I also want to tell you about the pricing, because check this out, $5.99. Now, to be fair, he is very strict about changing his price. You can see it says here it's going to go to $27. I can tell you from experience that that is real. This is not false. This is not one of those things where it's like false, false scarcity. He really does change the price to $27 automatically when the timer hits 0, and he will not lower it back. So if you want to get it for $5.99 with my bonuses, grab it before the timer hits 0, because I guarantee you it will be $27 after the timer hits 0. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt, the product creator. Or not. Oh, I want to show you the members area real quick. Basically, it's a Google Doc, and you're going to download stuff. You can read it here online, obviously. You can see the introduction, Membership Massacre. You download it here. You can also listen to it online. And of course, they have the whole thing. And there's a whole bunch of bonuses included as well that you're going to be getting with this package also. So it's very, very easy to use, very simple. You can read it in a very short while. And again, you're going to get my custom bonus, which is, of course, my membership site course as well, with full PLR rights. Plus 30 courses that you can sell, give away, use the bonuses or use them for your membership site so you can actually start making some money. So let's see if I can make a bit of magic or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I love this thing, and for $5, it's really a no-brainer. Grab this one. This one is good. You're gonna love this.